Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. I am no financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am just here to show you cool things. And today, I'm here to talk about Volt. Cool name. V words are fun. V's and X's, they've got that angle to them graphically. It's exciting. And it has an X in its little label there. Supercharging the next generation of RWA on XRP. So September 2nd, Volt is here, empowering the future of RWA. This is just the beginning. Volt XVM. Brian Armstrong, Brad Garlinghouse, and Larry Fink are just a few of the biggest names talking about how all RWA will eventually be tokenized, says John Deaton, XRP lawyer. Biggest names in blockchain and traditional finance are bullish on RWA, with multi-trillion-dollar outlooks on the sector. We're just at the beginning. Rain or shine. Got all that going on. XVM is building the future of finance on the XRP ledger. Alright, so there's the Twitter. Got a little matrix thing. Acquire financial giants. RWA will have a structure similar to Ethereum. Breakdown of tokenized assets by class. Private credit 61%, treasuries 30%, commodities 7%, institutional funds 2%. So there's their breakdown. Tokenization of the market from stocks to bonds to real estate is coming, says Larry Fink, BlackRock CEO. Alright, let's check out Volt's website. Supercharging the next generation of RWA on XRP. Powering the future of real-world assets on the XRP ledger. Good contract address there. Let's check out the DEX screener. Ah yes, we got some candlesticks coming. Or do we? Alright. No candlesticks as of... here's what I wanted. Alright, so it's on the downturn. It had a strong spike yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was the time to have it. The time may come again, so yes, it dropped. It climbed a little mountain. Seems to have reached its peak. It's trending back down with a little more upward motion. Head back up again. Now, which way is it going after this? Could not tell you. But it appears to have a lot of stuff going on. Well, a moderate amount of stuff going on. I've seen things have more things going on than this, and I've seen less. One thing I will say is going forward is it doesn't have... There's nothing gaudy about the website. It all looks thought out on the level. Looks like they actually hired a graphic designer instead of just farming out something to an AI throwing a meme in a blender. So that's encouraging. I like seeing that. I like the idea that things are thought out and planned out and all of that. Tokenized trillion-dollar market for accessibility and liquidity. Alright, so there you have it. It's a little cryptic, but seems to be selling reasonably well. Or at least was. And it's still only new to the game, so it may yet shoot up. I know I'm kind of non-committal here. I don't have strong feelings. I don't know. I think there could be some good happening here. So, check it out. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.